Okay, so tonight we're here to talk about our online business. How are all of you feeling? Are you caught up? Did you do all the homework up till now? Because I have good news for you all. I have developed a 9-stage or 9-module roadmap to make sure you stay focused, to make sure you don't lose or you don't get distracted when you're working on your online business. It's very important that we narrow down and stay focused, as this is why most people don't succeed. You go around and you see something else or you think of something else and it doesn't work. Ask me. I've been there. I've done that. And I can tell you, you get frustrated, and if you don't see any results, you even quit. Well, as I've been through this for quite a while, I was thinking, let me show you. I developed a 9-step roadmap, as I said, that will get you and let you stay on track and to make sure you don't deviate. So in my 9 steps, I will add this after the video. I will add this to my guides and you can see it there. First 3 steps, we already did most of it. This is the validate and create time. We will find the pain points of our customers that they need help with. And this is when you started looking at your niche. What will you do and how will you plan what you're going to help your customers with? So you have to be in a specific niche to be able to help your customers. It shouldn't be too broad. We have to narrow down specifically for who we're going to serve. And that's why the next point in these 3 steps is the customer avatar, where you said, I help so and so and so to do what, and without the 9 to 5 or the frustration to have these results. And I think you will remember when we did the avatar, I gave you a task on to search who is your customer that you will serve. And then we will look at our offer, seeing that we know what is the pain points and what is who is our customer, we can now go for the offer. What do we want to help them with and what will our services be? In the next 3 points or the next 3 modules is the lead magnet. Let's get ourselves branded and collect our customers and prepare our checklist. So here in the next 3 steps, you will do your personal branding, you will do your social platform. I also mentioned that you choose the platform that you feel most comfortable with. I suggest Facebook because they have a lot of customers and they have a lot of people going to them. But if you're not comfortable with Facebook and you rather use one of the other platforms, the same principles apply. And then we will do our lead magnet. Now, I will send you a checklist that you can use as a lead magnet because people don't want to read long ebooks and long sentences. They want something short. And I found that checklist is very helpful and people will give you their email and they will receive the checklist from you that will help them on their success journey. Now, if we go into the last 3 modules of this 9-step process, it's enroll and your service. So you will enroll your clients to the service that they need help with. So first we will create valuable content because now you have to build trust with your client. You already have your clients and they already signed up to you who they trust. So we have to give them valuable content, quality, and show them that we really care about them. I will also do a one-to-one enrollment call with my customers, and to make sure you understand what a one-to-one call is, I will do a one-to-one call free of charge with all of you who are building your own business. We can discuss where you have your stuck points. We can discuss what is your biggest struggles, and I will tell you how to overcome that to be successful. But if you have any questions, please write comments under the video where I put up, where I have this, and I will come back to you personally. You don't have to wait for the one-to-one call before we will be helping you. Then the last point is fulfillment. Now your customer, you have your business done, your customer is happy, and you have a service or an offer that you can sell to them. And here is where you will ask for your review. What did your customer feel, or what did you feel about the program that I gave you? So this is how you build your expert reputation, because this is the other thing that we need. Customers look at reviews. Customers look at your reputation. Do you have a well-known name? Do you have something that people are boasting about? And this is what we want at the end. A successful business that people boast about, and that you will know your customers will be happy with your service. And then after the 9 steps, you have a full-blown business that's off the ground. And now we will take it to the next level. And here is where I will support you in the next level if you want more help from me. I also uploaded everything in the guides in my YouTube channel, not my YouTube channel, my Facebook group where all of you are in. I did upload my guides, and you can go back to the guides and catch up if you're not on target yet. But I hope all of you are on target, that we can move forward to the next step. And this is where we will use the lead magnet, and I will give you the... I'm Loendi from legitblueprint.com, and don't miss my forthcoming videos, so subscribe and share this video with your friends. And hopefully I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.